Right, don't know if you can hear me here because it's very windy here today. But yeah, check out this place called Dooley's at Edmundstown, outside of RD. On the N2, the road that would eventually lead up to Derry in Northern Ireland. And depending on which side of the tribe fence you live in Northern Ireland, if you're a Catholic and Irish, you call it Derry, and if you're Protestant and Unionist, you would call it Londonderry. I must try and do the accent as well. Londonderry and Derry, you know. So yeah, so that's that road there, the N2. Yeah, I'm just looking here. There's loads of cornfields here. There's one across the road there, and there's two actually there, and the corn is cut. And here's a lovely field of, I think it's barley here, and it's ready actually for cutting. Look, you see that? Grand big car park here and all. So yeah, check it out, my friends. Nice place to eat. That was a gorgeous dinner. I got turkey, veg and cabbage. Cabbage was beautiful, and of course my tea. So now I'm actually with one of my sisters, so I'm heading up to Cootehill in County Cavan. So I might do a little video of the town up there too. Okay, see us all there later, right? Well, had to make a pit stop here to go to the toilet, and I think I'm in County Monaghan. This is the third time I've been down in Cootehill, right? And of course, the third time that I took the wrong turn, and I'm just going on these real twisty, turny country roads here. But anyway, so I come in here to this little field here for a piddle, and what did I notice here? There's two swans, and they're, I think it's like young swans. I don't know what you call them, swanlets, or I don't know what you call them. Look, just down here. So I must show you these. Look, so this lovely. Look, hello swans. Hello. How are you today? Are you well? Yeah. Hello. Look at all your young swans. Have you cygnets? What do you call them? Cygnets, I think. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello. 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 Are you well? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Now, it's not super cool. So if I didn't stop here to go for a piddle, I wouldn't have seen those swans. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they've 8 young. So that must be the mum and dad there. And then that's all their children. Very productive, aren't they? Yeah, so I said if I didn't stop to go for a piddle here, I wouldn't have seen those lovely swans. So anyway, it's onwards now towards Cootehill, okay? Oh, this is just lovely here, look. Lovely. Real country, my friends, real country. Somewhere in County Monaghan. Well, welcome to Cootehill here in County Cavan. This is the main street here, and the first thing you notice about this street, look how wide it is. And the great thing about here is, how's it going? She's in there, she's in, I'll be in a second, right? The great thing about down here is there's no pay and display parking. You just park a car on the road here. I'm up here to look at a little tractor, look, on the street. So yeah, it's a cool big wide street, isn't it? Here's a place called Nice and Natural Health Store. There's an old Ford 4000 tractor. There's a shop there with no name in it. Clothes shop there, men's section here. women's section over there. You'll always get these old tractors down in these towns in the country, the countryside. So I'm going down here now, meeting my sister and our friends in Sean's Diner, and the people down here are super friendly, super friendly, I have to say. So I'm just going to go down here now and have into Sean's Diner and have a cup of tea. Look at this here. This is a Wines, Dominoes and Spirits. What's the pub? Tullamore Dew. Poaching, Irish poaching, now legend. Wow, there's Laurel and Hardy again. There's a poaching jug there, poaching there again. Wow. So this is the Church of Ireland church here, All Saints Church, and I love the stonework on this church. Looks, they're just gorgeous, real small tin stones, beautiful. And look at the windows here, so it's just gorgeous. So this area here of this woodland just outside Cootehill here is dedicated to a little girl called Erica. It's called Erica's Fairy Garden, and it's kind of a sad story here. The little girl called Erica, I think she had leukemia, and she passed away in Cavan General Hospital, and the local community got together and organised this area here in the woodland here called Erica's Fairy Garden, and it's just beautiful. And you look around here and there's names of other little children who passed away, I think, as well, and they have them, their names of them on the trees. Isn't that just super cool? Erica's Fairy Hotel. It's just magical, I have to say. For children, it's absolutely magical. The Hobbit, look. He's the groundkeeper of Erica's Fairy Forest. Oh, this is just fantastic, I have to say, fantastic. So that little girl, Erica, she was 5 years of age when she passed away, and the reason why they call it Erica's Fairy Garden is because she was mad into fairies, and when she was in hospital she'd sing songs and to do with the fairies and stuff. So yeah, and then so the locals organised this, and all the other names you see here are all other little girls and stuff who've since passed on. Princess Erica, head fairy and protector of the forest. Erica helps others through music, dance and spreading love. You can't come down and visit this place here in this little wood outside Cootehill or beside Cootehill without having your heartstrings pulled, I have to say. Sad and lovely at the same time, what they've done to the memory of that girl Erica and all the other little children who have passed on way too early. I think this is a fantastic thing that the people have done down here in Cootehill. So check it out, people, if you're down here in Cootehill. It's called Erica's Fairy Garden, and it's just absolutely fantastic. No other word to describe. Fantastic, my friends. So there is a 10 kilometre forest walk here that'll bring you back into the town or village of Cootehill. I'm only after walking about 2 kilometres down it. It's just all forest here. The lake is out here on the right hand side. So there's loads of walks down here in Cootehill if you're into that, and the lake there, there's young people there swimming in the lake. There's some it must be, I don't know, what would you call it, local swimming club or something down here, but they're all in their life jackets, and there's adults there teaching them to do, I don't know, not teaching them to swim, they're jumping into the lakes and just doing different things. So anyway, this is the part of the walkway here down in Cootehill in County Cavan. If you're interested in a nice walk through a forest, come down to Cootehill and you'll get a nice forest walk, my friends.